Kitchen floor wrestling with a Hoover beater brush. William Hovey Smith, 2024. In our expedient kitchen floor repair of our Hoover Swivel XL pet vacuum cleaner, what we have done is we've taken the Dremel tool and we're relieving this area on both sides, which contained, once upon a time, a mineral fiber brush which supported the beater bar, but the fibers wore away and the bar actually started grinding on the beater. Now the beater itself, yeah, that's in good shape, so there's no need to replace it. But we do need to replace this part right here, which is available and was used on several similar vacuum cleaners. Now the particular one needed is one that takes the square fittings on the beater bar. There's another style that takes a pentagonal fitting rather than a square one. So we'll see if we can clean this up a little more. And we're going to test and see if we have clearance here. The plastic frame had apparently warped somehow, and I had to remove a few thousandths of an inch of the plastic from the end of the beater bar to get it to actually slip in easily and rotate properly. Last on the snake here. To support this channel, buy my outdoor books, business books, and recommend them to your local libraries. The theme of all of my books is actually self-reliance, helping you and others help yourselves. So now we can put the beater back in and it turns freely and smoothly and is not binding here and here. So we'll replace the drive strap by hooking it over the motor here and around here, and replace the cover there, and we should be able to actually proceed to vacuum the floor. With some hustle and hassle, we've got the drive belt on, and the beater rotates nicely when pushed by the fingers, as it should. So, okay, we're doing good here. Now, one more thing we had to do. We had to relieve actually a few thousandths right here because it was binding so hard on the beater. Why, I don't know, except to say that this is the plastic and it deforms over time. But we got that problem solved. So now all we have to do is replace the bottom cover and these 6 screws. So now we've restored our Hoover Swivel XL Pet to practical use. And it is doing just fine. The rotors are turning, it's picking up well and retaining it. There's no escaping dust and saving the cost and trouble of getting a replacement vacuum. But now, this is Hoover Smith, reminding you to hunt what you eat and eat what you hunt. Be legal, be ethical, be safe. Goodbye, God bless, and see you next time.